Okay, Mark Lanning here again, Orwak North America, trusted cameraman Gerard on the camera. We're going to introduce you today to the Orwak Compact 3120 baler. This is the largest addition to the compact family of products. It has a 40-inch wide load aperture. You see it has cardboard in it, of course, but 40 inches wide, still running on a single phase power, which is critical. Okay, so basically, again, same thing, 40 inches wide. We have a common operator control panel as we review. You see this is consistent throughout the entire compact family. You have an auto and manual mode. We have power light, service light, temperature lights, full bale light, paper and plastic to protect the machine when you're doing commodities such as plastic films, things of that nature. Bale adjustments, so you have 3 adjustments, and then you have your up and down buttons for when we bale. The purpose of this video, and of course, the emergency stop switch, which is ultimately important because, as you'll see, we have a closed system, totally manufactured towards safety. The purpose of this video is to show you how to make a bale, right, and how to make a bale safely. So after we load our cardboard in, crush down, we now have compacted cardboard, we're ready to make a bale. We then pull the embedded banding straps that are 3 now from the top of the machine down. We'll then lower the press plate to the lowest position, open both the doors, tie the bale off under pressure, and then we'll have a 2-button ejection system that will then safely have the operator out of the way to eject the bale. We expect bales anywhere from 225 to 250 pounds of cardboard, a little bit heavier for your plastics. We look forward to ejecting the bale. We'll see you soon. Mark Lanning here again, making a bale for the 3120. What we've done now is we've lowered the press plate. We've tied these off under pressure. They have 3 ties. We're going to leave this last baling line to tie. Just a simple slip through, up, nice and easy, right, nice and tight, down thing. So now we bring our pallet in, put our pallet in front of the machine. When we open both of these doors, what this does is it releases this mechanism that will then grab the auto eject. So the machine ejects by itself. This is our door safety lever that opens and holds the door closed. Open the door, now we're ready to eject. Again, as we spoke about before, the 2-button ejection system that keeps the operator on the side for safety and then tips the bale out of the machine. Once again, we'll expect a 250-pound bale. Just as easy as that. You'll see in here, automatic bale ejection. It's almost like a seatbelt material. Reset the machine and go again. For more information on the Orwak Compact 3120, please search orwak.com. We look forward to your business. Thank you very much.